Welcome to Chart Forecaster. I'm Kyle. In today's video, we're going to take a peek at Ondas Holdings. And Ondas is really in an interesting position that I think is bearish. And we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about Chart Forecaster's market predictions in just a second as well, because there's three of them that you need to know about. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on Ondas. They hosted an investor day and they upped their 2026 revenue target from 170 or to 170 at 180 million dollars. So this exceeds prior revenue targets as well. So they are the leading provider of autonomous aerial and ground robot intelligence through its business unit, Ondas Autonomous Systems, and a private wireless solutions through Ondas Networks. So this is like an interesting play, right? Because it's like defense, it's technology, and these are just the money flowing through these industries right now. Everybody's in such competition for the best military tech and things like that. So I do think that ONDS, they could probably hit those targets without a problem. But the problem is on the charts with this harmonic pattern. And I think that it could be gearing up to strip this thing down to about the $3.70-ish area. There could also be somewhat of a head and shoulders pattern that could be gearing up to take it down to that level, not to mention the rising wedge that started back in October. So these are two very bearish patterns that I'm seeing on their chart. And while I wish the company well, I think that the price action short term, maybe going into May, June, July, could be kind of bearish. Now, they do have earnings on Wednesday, March 18th. So that'll be something to really kind of pay attention to. But Chart Forecaster is warning us about January 18th, which is Sunday, which is markets are closed. Markets are closed Monday for MLK. So I would expect at Tuesday's opening, looking for a reversal point, common low or high in the market. At January 22nd, bullish or bearish momentum starts building. January 26th at 5 a.m., volatility spikes, breakouts, pauses coming. This is all UTC time. So you got to make sure that you are looking at the right chart with the right time frame when you are using chartforecaster.com, which is $9.99 a month. But for that matter, this is an interesting play to say the least. And I do think that this company will do well long term, but the short term price action is just not suggesting it. See you on the next one.